In this video, we will talk about how to purge the ink cleaning liquid tubing. If no cleaning liquid appears during a nozzle wash, your washing liquid cartridge may be empty. When this happens, air can enter the tubing instead of liquid, disrupting the proper flow. Follow these quick and easy steps to purge the line. Step 1 is to open the front cover and gently lift or unlock the front panel to access the internal components. Step 2 is to locate the tube. Find the tube connecting the capping station to the cleaning liquid cartridge. Step 3 is to disconnect the tube. You will need to carefully disconnect the tube at the connector. Then, remove the blue O-ring and set it aside in a clean, safe place. Step 4 is to enter maintenance mode. On the printer's control panel, first go to ST Maintenance and then choose Nozzle Wash. Step 5 is to clean the wiper and purge the line. Start by manually wiping the wiper blade until it is clean. Then press the Func 2 button repeatedly until cleaning liquid flows visibly through the tube. Step 6 is to reconnect the tube. Do this by reattaching the connector securely. Take a moment to ensure the blue O-ring is correctly seated and aligned. A final tip is to place a cleaning wipe or cloth under the connection point to catch any drips or spills. Once reassembled, you can proceed with a standard nozzle wash to complete the purge. Like and subscribe for more quick video tutorials from DigiPrint.